Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to create a simple website with the home, about, contact. The whole point is just to show you how we can create a simple nav bar in navigation like this, okay, and body and the footer, and then we can center the content in the middle of our website with a background like this. Okay, let's start. So the first thing that you need to create a folder. In this case, I have a folder called navbar. This one is just nothing. We're gonna create a new HTML file here. Index called HTML. Similarly, we can have another file called main.css. Okay, now I want to open this with my text editor, but yeah, we're gonna open our text editor first from using Visual Studio Code. Okay, and find my folder. This is my folder. Select a folder. Okay, so we have an index.html file and main.css with nothing. So to build a website like this, we're gonna start with a let's first have exclamation mark and then tab. So we have a very basic format for the HTML website. Okay, here I want to say symbol nav for web, right? So we want to link, alright, we want to link to the CSS file. So tab, just type link and tab main.css. Okay, and you can open it live right now with the live server. You can install it. So right now our website doesn't have anything yet, so we're gonna start. First, we need to have a header. So I can do that by header nav and then UL. So header is like the section, the whole section above called the header, and then the nav, which means this section would have our link, and then the UL is the section that we can have each specific or the list item. So li home. Now we can have home like this with li like this, okay, but we want it to be a link, so we can have an a tag. A tag, okay. Within this a tag we're gonna have the link href. Right now we don't have anything yet, so we're gonna leave it like this for now. Then you can just copy it and paste two times, and we have about and then contact. Yep, there we go. So this is, we have a header right here. Now we need to create content. So I have a class called content. You can type dot content and tab. Then in the content gonna have h3 in tab, article 1, and then we have a p tag. So just say lorem 30 and then pass, and then tab, I'm sorry, not pass. Okay, you can copy it and paste it for 2 times. Alright, and then we can modify it to article 2 and article 3. Alright, then there we have it. Finally, we can have a footer. So footer, same copy. Okay, 2020. 02 coding, for example. Yeah, but feel free to use the code and modify it as you need. Alright, so we have it right here. So this is for the HTML. Now let's go to the CSS style. So the first thing we want to do in the CSS is that we're gonna have the body first. For the body, we want to set it to margin auto, and max width 80%. Okay, so this is the body like this. It will help center the content of the website, and then set the width is the maximum 80%. Then we can have a background color so that you can see where our body. So we have 1D 363B. Okay, then we have a background color. So the color here you can't see it yet, but we'll leave it for now. And then we're gonna go right to the main. Yeah, I forget to tell you that we're gonna wrap the whole thing in a main tab. Okay, copy it, put in the main. Okay, alright, now we can have the main. For the main, we're gonna have background. We set a different background for section inside. F5, F0, E4. Okay, then we have it. The next thing we're gonna do, set a padding, the pixel. Okay, the padding 20 pixel. Here you may want to have padding for the body, 20 pixels as well. Yep, it will push the web content like this. That's good. Next, we want to do this. I want this one to have a border radius. You don't have to have it 5 pixels to make this one have a curve like this. Okay. All right. Next thing we're going to do is to style the UL. UL, which means we want to get rid of the dot right like this. So we're gonna implement the UL. We're gonna this style type and none. So we got rid of that. Okay. And I don't want it to be like this. I want it to be move to the left. So we're gonna have padding 0. Alright, and move to the left. The next thing we want to do is I want it is display in line. So we're gonna have the li, and then display in line. Okay. Next we're gonna have when I want it to separate from each other a bit. So padding right 10 pixels for example. Alright, and then I want to have a line between them, a vertical line. So I have border right and 1 pixel solid. Okay, you can try 2 pixel. Yeah, but one seems better. Okay, the next thing is that I don't want to have the underline right here. So I'm going to start the link. We have the R in a link. What you can do is just type text declaration and none, and then we get rid of the link, the underline. Right. Next, I want some effect when I hover it. So a hover. So what we can do is that we can set a background to different color. So ED9 and 251. Okay, yeah, when we hover over it, it has different color. Next thing we want to do is to make the text white, just so that it's easier to see the text. Okay. okay, the text become white. Now I also want padding 10 pixel. Okay, so it look bigger like this, and then border radius 4 pixel, you know, just to get rid of the rectangular. I want to have a curve. Okay, look very good. For the footer, we can just have simple stack align center. Then we have the footer like this. Okay, so I've just show you how we can create a simple web with navigation. Okay, something like this. Hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.